Sceptre monitors offer various display modes to optimize your viewing experience for different tasks. These modes are pre-calibrated settings designed for specific uses like gaming, watching movies, or general work. Key picture modes include standard or normal for balanced use, movie or cinema for enhanced contrast in videos, game for reduced input lag and better visibility in dark areas, and text for sharper document reading. You can also find a user or custom mode to fully customize the settings to your preferences. This allows you to adjust brightness, contrast, color temperature, and other parameters manually. To access these modes, press the menu button on your monitor, navigate to Picture or Display Settings, and select Picture Mode or Display Mode. Recent Sceptre models feature improved on-screen display interfaces with expanded customization options. Gaming performance requires specific monitor optimizations. Response time is critical for eliminating ghosting effects during fast motion. Refresh rate determines how many frames per second your monitor can display. Higher refresh rates, like 144 Hz, provide smoother visuals compared to standard 60 Hz displays. Adaptive sync technology like FreeSync or G-Sync eliminates screen tearing by synchronizing your monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame output. Extended monitor use can cause eye strain. Blue light filters reduce harmful high-energy light that can lead to eye fatigue and long-term vision problems. Content creation requires accurate color representation. Use standard or sRGB mode for color accuracy. Set brightness to approximately 120 candelas per square meter. Set color temperature to 6500 K for accurate white point representation, and gamma to 2.2 for proper mid-tone brightness. These settings ensure professional-grade color accuracy.